Okay, hi. So previously I was talking about how, or the BPV lab that we did at the beginning of the semester was a model for constant velocity and zero acceleration. And so this screencast, or the point of this screencast, is to show what happens when the velocity is no longer when the velocity does not have a slope of zero anymore, or the acceleration is no longer zero. So the video that I decided to analyze was a video again from like somewhere in the middle of the semester um, of ball in free fall. So what I have here is a position time graph, velocity time graph, and acceleration time graph. So we see our position time graph right here, and then the velocity time graph, and the points are taken from the tangents of the position time graph, and then plotted. And so because again the okay, so the slope of the position time graph is our velocity, right? So there's no way to really get like one slope here. So that's why there's a downward relationship between velocity and time, because it's not like oh um there's a specific constant relationship between position and time, like oh it just goes upward, but rather now we see a parabola. So that's why our velocity time graph now has like a direction, rather than before it was sort of just like sort not so straight line. Oh sorry there. And then from there we see that we have the slope of negative 8.669 meters per second over second. So like I said before, our slope the slope of our velocity time graph is our acceleration, or our overall acceleration. Our acceleration here is just like the different points of acceleration throughout like the video, but we find that like ultimately our slope is if we round it up, it's like negative 10 meters per second over second, which is the acceleration due to gravity. So yeah, um, so this is just, it pretty much shows that like when something's in free fall, the accelerate no not only is there just like okay wait, not only is there an acceleration when an object is in free fall, but if it is in free fall and the only force acting upon it is gravity, then your acceleration is about is about 10 meters per second squared, either positive or negative depending on what you see to be positive or negative. So that is non-zero acceleration.